In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a circle around your body. We're creating that clean, glowing ring that wraps around you and follows your movement, perfect for vertical videos. Open CapCut on the web or in the mobile app and start a new project. If you're already in a project, you're good to go. Make sure your footage has clear lighting and your full upper body is visible, so the effect can track you accurately. Set your canvas to a 9:16 aspect ratio. This vertical format is ideal for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, and it ensures the circle sits naturally around your body without getting cropped. You'll see 9:16 in the canvas options. Click it so the editor switches to vertical. Import or add your video to the timeline. Choose a clip where you're centered and there's good contrast between you and the background. If needed, trim off extra footage at the start or end so you're only applying the effect to the moments that matter. Next, open the Effects panel. This is where you'll find stylized looks that can be layered onto your footage. Within Effects, go into Body Effects. These are special effects that detect people in the video and lock onto the body, which is exactly what we need for a ring that follows you. Navigate to the Glowing Lines section. This category includes outlines and rings with light and glow. If you don't see everything at once, click View All to expand the full list so nothing is hidden. Choose the effect called Halo. This is the circular, glowing ring that will sit around your body and move with you. When you apply it, CapCut will analyze your clip and wrap the ring around the detected person. You can apply it to your whole clip, or just part of it by dragging the edges of the effect layer on the timeline. Now, make adjustments so the circle looks just right. Tweak the size or radius so the ring frames your torso or waist without cutting off your arms. Adjust intensity and glow to control how bright and soft the light looks. Subtle for a clean style. Stronger for a bold, neon vibe. If color options are available, pick something that complements your outfit or background. Use position controls or vertical offset to nudge the ring up or down so it aligns naturally with your movement. Extend or shorten the effect's duration on the timeline to match your action, and play the clip to check the tracking. If the ring slips during fast moves, try a slightly larger radius or reduce extreme motion in that section. Consistent lighting and a clear silhouette help the effect lock on. That's it. You've added a glowing circle around your body in CapCut, set to 9:16, with halo applied and fine-tuned for a polished, eye-catching result.